In this section, we are going to look at the next design pattern called as name registry pattern. For that, let me open up name registry, let's call it .sol. Within this, we can write a small program, solidity 6.12, right? Contract registry, let's call it, right? Here, imagine, okay, again the same factory pattern, okay, Toyota, and let's say this Toyota has a lot of other smart contracts which it has to talk to, okay. So we have a contract called as HR, right, and we have a contract called as admin, okay, and we have a contract called as engine department and all of these things, okay. So now let's say Toyota wants to talk to these contracts always, and these contracts are upgradable, right? Or let's say the address of these contracts keep changing, or let's say Toyota does not store these addresses, or even if it does, what if the person who is handling this contract forgets all of it, right? So to make it easier for the contract as well as the users to remember the addresses, use a name registry. What is this name registry? Is nothing but, right, you are gonna create a mapping from a string to address, okay. So call this public registry, right. So what is the use of this is that, okay, if you write a function, let's say, okay, and call it map, okay, public, right. So here, whenever you deploy a HR contract, okay, just do map of HR is equal to that address, okay, new HR. So what is going to happen in these cases is that, okay, I need to make it an address, right. What is going to happen in these cases is that index expression has to be a type mapping on array, okay, map, it should be registry of, yeah. What is going to happen in these cases is that you don't need to remember the contract address of the HR or store it anywhere also, right. Whenever you want to talk to the HR contract, you can just go call registry of HR, right. It's like a phone book where you save the number and the name. You will not be able to remember your friends mobile numbers always, right. That's why we have this contacts list in our mobiles where you just call Raghu and it will, in the back end, it is calling my number, right. So it's the same way we are creating a registry, and this is called as the name registry. This will help a lot when you have a very complex application to work on and you cannot remember all the addresses of the contracts which you want to talk to, etc., right. So HR, admin, whenever you do it, you can probably say admin is equal to new admin, right. So the parent contract is the one that will be deploying these contracts, right, and hence you can use this name registry kind of a structure to make your life easier and to remember things easily, right. So that is about name registry. Next we'll look at oracles.